Alright guys, we about to teach you how to make Griyo. We already cleaned it. Cleaned it nicely. Now we're about to put some onion powder. And we're grabbing it. We're about to put some, wait on it, Cajun powder. I almost said Cajun, but okay. We about to put some Adobo powder, the orange top. Alright, it's coming. What's next? What could possibly be next? Clove powder. Oh, okay, just next. Alright, we grabbing this one. We putting some curry powder on it. Yay! Some curry powder. Black pepper is on it. And you know, black pepper gives it that little taste, little spicy taste. And then we have that garlic powder. And then get ready for the cayenne pepper. You know, a little spiciness, you know. You gotta have a little spiciness in it. A little spiciness. Not too much, but a little spiciness. But I love a lot of spicy. Put your hand together for oregano. I don't know what that is, but we got the adobo powder, blue top, you know. We have to put all the different colors. And then don't forget the Acent season. And then right here, we're gonna put a little bit of Mojo. You know that Mojo is what you're gonna put in there to mix it up. And then the one and only Epis. Don't forget guys, if you would like a tutorial on how to make Epis, comment down below and we will show you. And then of course, you can't miss out on the Maggie. The Maggie is the main one, it's the main ingredient to everything you're cooking. You know, as Haitian, we use Maggie a lot. We're making eggs Maggie, we're making rice Maggie. You just can't put it in white rice. I thought you put it in white rice, but unfortunately, you don't put it in white rice. Your Maggie does not go in white rice. Remember that. It does not go in white rice. Or does it? Wait. Does it? Wait. Maggie in white rice? Yeah, you don't put Maggie. And then we're going to mix it up a little bit. Mix it to make sure all the seasoning gets into it. You know, you want every bite you take for the taste to come out real good, real smooth. You don't want no water tasting Griyo. You don't want no peanut tasting Griyo. You don't want your Griyo to taste like peanut. And now, of course, we're going to put it in the pot. We're going to boil it again. This is the final boil. Remember, we pre-boiled it. Now we're going to boil it to make sure everything is nice and cooked before we fried it. Nice and cooked. And you know, as you're boiling it, you're going to stir it. You know, when you stir it, you're making sure that all the seasoning gets into it. And then you're going to put a little celery in there. You know, celery is, you can say it's like the star of the show, you know. And then, of course, you got a little habanero pepper you put on there to make sure that you get that spicy looking for it. Me, I love a lot of spice. And you let it boil some more. And then, let it boil for a couple minutes. You're going to stir it again. Stirring it is making sure that every piece is cooked. Again, you don't want to eat raw Griyo. You don't want to eat raw pork. Right now, it is not Griyo. That is pork. That is pork. We are getting ready to boil it. Wait, not boiled. We are getting ready to fry it. All right, let's cover it up. And then fix your eyes. Put your hand together for Griyo. This is how you make Haitian Griyo. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe!